Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. My name is Kira Kang, founder of Modern Pianista. On this channel, we discuss all things regarding artistry, entrepreneurship, and music education. I am so excited to announce that I'm opening up my roster to take on 10 new students via Zoom. I've been teaching piano lessons all over Los Angeles for the past 12 years, and it's time to bring this mission online so I can help more people. If you've been tuning into my tutorials, you know that I take a theory-based approach, encourage you to improvise from day one, and help you relate it back to your favorite songs. Although I was classically trained, I'm most passionate about helping singer-songwriter producers because that is what is lacking in piano lessons and piano culture today. If you're interested in working together, you can book a complimentary consultation. I'll link the booking page in the description box below. I already have 25 in-person students that I see every single week, so I have very limited availability. I've opened up my Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I've already gotten a couple requests actually from my former students, so this is gonna go fast. I'm looking for the right clients, not just any clients. I'm looking for people who have an aligned vision, an aligned goal, and understand my teaching philosophies and would like to grow in the lane of singer-songwriter, producer, piano. A couple simple prerequisites I'm looking for with my new clients are you must be a teenager, young professional, or an adult, ages 12 and up, have a little bit of piano background, at least know your white keys and understand basic song structure, things like 4/4 time signature, 4 beats per measure, and have an awareness of note values like your quarter notes, your half notes, dotted half, whole notes, eighth notes, and so forth, right? I want you to understand what kind of music you love, have a preference, have a wish list going, a song wish list, songs that you want to learn how to play, songs that inspire you. And if you want to make your own music, that's definitely an option as well. So these are things that I'm looking for in my new clients. You must also have the proper gear. You must have a weighted 88-key keyboard. If you're not sure of what kind of equipment to buy, you can visit my Amazon storefront, and I have all the products that I recommend linked in the Amazon storefront, and it's going to be in the description box below. For all my new piano clients, I will be giving you a free sound palette, personalized piano plan, and a progress tracker. These are really important tools for you to have a good idea and a good understanding big picture-wise what you're trying to achieve. We're going to get a strategy down for you so you know exactly what you need to tackle every day to get a certain result. It's just like any other lifestyle change that you're trying to implement, whether it's a diet plan or whether it's a fitness plan. You want to know what you want to tackle every single day in order to guarantee a certain result. So this is coming from years of experience of working with all different types of students. I've broken them up into 4 different levels: Adagio, Andante, Allegro, and Vivace. These are Italian tempo words. All of our music terms are in Italian, and I wanted to implement that, incorporate some classical elements as well, even though this is a modern way and a jazz concept way of learning piano. It's still important to understand where things come from and where it's rooted, and nobody likes the word beginner, right? So Adagio, Andante, Allegro, and Vivace. Vivace is when you are beyond advanced, when you want to go pro, when you have career goals in the business. So these are tools that I am offering to all of my new and upcoming clients. And if by any chance my schedule doesn't align with yours, or you're just unable to take lessons at this time, these tools are available for sale on my website at modernpianista.com. I'll link everything in the description box below, from my booking page to my Amazon storefront to the tools that I'm offering that will get you on a schedule that actually runs parallel perfectly with all the tutorials that are already existing on this channel. All right, I'm looking forward to helping you guys create and get more in touch with yourselves. This is so needed in the world, and I'm so excited to be the one to be able to do it and offer it. So I look forward to helping you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.